GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.
How many consonants are there in the alphabet?
Oh God,
26.
I'll tell. No, that's
Ravi.
Ravi Kishan and all. Ravi You know how I know this? Because Munna Bhai said it in the first movie. ये बॉडी में 206 हड्डी है.
Tell.
Ah, you can tell.
What is it?
No.
Energy.
Push.
एक second. You three laughed like you all knew.
They were just laughing at us. They were laughing at our answers.
I said punch him. I said punch him. Go see who said it.
कैमरा
I
ले. बहुत the same.
said it.
कर रहे हो मेरे ऊपर.
I get the 10 points.
सिद्धार्थ बोलो.
अक्षय कुमार सिद्धार्थ बोलो.
एक second. Johnny Abraham, Shahid Kapoor. What is
No,
wrong with you?
I said
Listen
first.
first. I said the
I'll
first.
tell you.
Who said
Come
first?
on.
Ask them. Which one? Chandu champion. You thought it's Karthi?
Seriously?
What?
Will you believe me?
एक second.
तू इसकी गोदी में बैठ मैं यहाँ बैठ रहा हूँ. चल अब कर तू. Ready to play.
Will you believe me?
You
if I say
wanted
something?
a clickbait show. You got it. Come. Ready.
Very easy.
दिल धड़कने दो.
दिल धड़कने दो. जब तक
Oh, he comes like this.
That's what I'm saying.
थोड़ा टाइम अगर मिलता है ना अरे ये लोग इतना तेजी से दिमाग लगाने का समय अगर मिले तो
दिया वो दिया था.
I said it first. I said Mohabbatein. I said
तुमको पता है ना अगर एहसास होता तो फर्स्ट वाला जो तुमको मिला है ना जो तुम 21
हाँ, ये.
वो नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
Oh God,
26.
I'll tell. No, that's the
Wow.
That's the
camera.
alphabet.
9 consonants.
क्योंकि वो भी तुमने आस्ते ही बोला.
आस्ते नहीं बोला मैंने.
आस्ते ही बोला.
बहुत
आस्ते ही
confidently
बोला
बोला.
तुमने.
I'm loving it. This is possibly one of my most loved shows ever because it tugs a different part of my heart. And I remember watching 3 episodes last night, and I messaged you saying that I hope and pray that everybody watching finds the Rishi and Dimple of their life, or anybody that they want, but they find that person. And I was actually a little bit in tears also in the first episode. I actually am very stupid. So
You're not stupid.
no, all these affect me a lot.
But
And-
they're
But
supposed
that's the
to.
idea.
That's human.
That's not stupid.
Yeah, but eventually life hits you, and then you realize that okay, this is not possible. But never mind, we are gonna play Galata game show. Okay, it's different from other game shows because you get to cheat. He knows it. So you can cheat. कोई भी आंसर दे सकता है. 3 राउंड्स है, बहुत सिंपल राउंड्स है.
Okay.
जो भी जीतेगा एक जन को स्कोर रखना पड़ेगा, फिर हेल्प करना पड़ेगा मुझे स्कोर को लेके. You get 10 points for every correct answer.
Okay.
3 rounds, Bollywood rounds, and 1 is a back to school round where I'll ask you school based questions.
Got it.
Okay?
So out of 3 rounds, 2 are Bollywood, 1 is back to school.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you get
got
10 points for each correct answer.
Got it.
And you can cheat.
it. Okay.
I'm so
and
tired
if we
already.
know it then it's not compulsory to cheat. No? If we know it
If you know whoever said
मुझे आंसर आता है.
compulsory नहीं है.
नहीं चीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी तुम्हें मिनी.
बोला इतनी बार.
how to cheat baby that's a rule that you have to cheat.
How is she like this, man?
नहीं चीटिंग नहीं करनी पड़ेगी बट मतलब चीटिंग करनी ही ऐसा कोई मैंडेट नहीं है.
But
You
कर
can
सकते
cheat.
हो.
Sometimes you would need help. जो भी पहले आंसर देगा उसको 10 पॉइंट मिलेंगे.
ठीक है.
Okay?
Cool.
And you have to be high on energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on.
He lost last time and he's blamed me for being biased.
I was joking.
Surprise.
Yeah.
I was
He
joking.
hates
Thank
you.
you.
I'm not
You're so
surprised.
loser.
I'm not
Yeah, I agree. But I hope this time you win.
Wow.
Okay, first round is back to school.
Okay.
So now you're not biased?
No, I can't be biased here. There are too
just said
many
You
Yeah,
just
people
said
to
you
be
hope he
biased.
wins.
No, I said I hope you win. I didn't say that I know you will win. There's a difference. Okay,
Not. He'll win.
you never know. First one is English, okay? How many consonants are there in the alphabet?
Oh God,
26.
I'll tell. No, that's the
Wow.
camera.
That's the alphabet.
9 consonants. 8, 9.
8.
9. What?
9.
What? No, what am
Guys?
I? What? No. Consonants for. Bro, I'm. Wait.
Guys,
One second.
I think it's 21.
21.
I think it's 21.
21.
Bro, who said?
What is
one
happening?
second. Who said it first?
What did you say?
I think Ehsas.
I said it 21.
Answer is 21.
I said 21.
I said
9. Can you rewind and check who said it
Please
first?
check. I said it
No,
first.
wait.
I literally
But
said
I-
21.
Oh God.
26.
I'll tell.
No, that's the
Wow.
That's the alphabet.
9 consonants.
Rohit, I have also mouthed it very.
Mouth तो मत. I thought.
No, he said.
ये क्या बात होती
No,
है
he
भाई?
said 21 first.
No, I said 21 and I said what is wrong with you guys?
No, I can I be honest? You can rewind.
Yeah,
and
please
see.
rewind and see. I said 21.
I feel that Rohit said it
Of
first,
course
but
you do.
Rohit
course you
didn't say it loudly.
I did say.
ठीक
I
है,
And
said,
Rohit
excuse
gets
me,
the
hello
point.
G, you are behaving exactly like him in the last
I
episode.
said
She said it before
21.
you.
What is wrong with you guys?
She
Chalo.
said 21.
I
He said
thought it was wrong
21.
every
Okay,
time.
so I don't know what I
He said
said.
21
Yeah.
and
26 alphabets.
Yeah.
yeah, he said 21 and then he turned and said,
Okay. Yeah.
what is wrong with
Yeah.
you? Is what I feel. If I am
That
wrong,
is
then
true.
I'll take that.
No, but
Given the
okay,
good.
chal, you'll see the edit. You'll see who
Haan.
said it first. If I haven't had the point, if I haven't got the point, you
Then
give
I'll
it to
get
whoever.
screwed, do you know
No,
that?
no, you give it to whoever. Say
Okay.
that it was whatever.
10 points.
10 consonants of counting
I'm
power.
And how are you
delete
counting?
the vowels
Even if you
from the
count
vowels.
vowels,
Why
it starts at 8 or 9.
He's like 9. No, no.
So 26 minus 5, 21. It's correct
that's
only.
what
वो
I-
correct only.
मैं तो बोली
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay. Hindi,
हाँ.
I will tell you a word. आप पर्यायवाची शब्द जो होता है,
Synonym.
yeah,
Synonym.
so any one you have to say.
In Hindi only, na?
Yeah, yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
synonym, ठीक है.
Ravi.
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 सूर्य
Surya is right.
Ah.
10,
Good.
10. Yes.
मुझे मैं
क्या कह रहा है तू?
रवि किशन एंड ऑल नहीं
रविवार.
Very good. Okay, mathematics.
अरे बाप
Ganit.
गणित अब दोस्तों
मैं तो कोशिश भी नहीं
No,
कर
but
रही.
I don't think he's trying to.
Sorry.
It's a math question,
What?
not a math question.
Yeah,
Oh,
math.
sorry.
Subject
I said Parayavachi for
Oh, you are not getting that point.
That's the
What
literal
is-
translation.
The square root of 169.
13.
13.
Who said it?
I.
Lawrence. said it.
Lawrence said it first.
20, 10. Baki 10 start.
It's just not.
Dude, my class teacher is ruling. on-
Biology.
Never happened.
Arey.
How many bones are there in the human body?
206.
Chhe.
207 if we are watching Gossip Girl.
If Ryan Reynolds
If
is
Ryan
watching
Reynolds is watching Gossip Girl.
206 is the
Thank
right
God.
answer.
And you know how I know this? Because Munna Bhai said it in the first
Yeah.
movie. ये body में
ये नहीं कि हमने
206
spoon
हड्डी है.
Rajita, how old were you? when Munna Bhai
15
released?
years ago, no?
Yeah.
20 years
Munna
ago.
Bhai was.
20
Munna Bhai
years
was
ago?
20 years ago.
I was 11.
2021.
I was 11.
Why did we do that
By then
math
you
right
would
now?
have learned it in.
Dude, my Nanu and I would watch Munna Bhai every day during our vacations together. Every single
It
day.
doesn't matter where you get the knowledge.
Yeah, 10, 10, 20. Achha, 10, 10, 20. In physics, the SI unit,
I
Newton,
don't
is
know.
for what? Like, what does it measure?
Gravity.
Newton.
No.
10
Newton's law is gravity.
It
Hey,
depends.
tell now,
though.
tell.
You can tell.
What is it?
No, no,
Energy.
Force.
Force is the right answer.
Oh
Who
my
said it?
god.
Sorry, I got a bit like sorry.
Sorry.
सबसे ज़्यादा ये
Wow.
सबसे ज़्यादा ये sound और camera department में भी होता है.
एक second.
कोई
You
देखता
three
है.
laughed like you all knew.
They were just laughing at us. They were laughing at our answers.
They laughed at your answer.
Answer came from a hidden
No,
gem
because
over
you said
there.
gravity. Even I
Who,
didn't know.
who gave that
The
answer?
hidden gem over
Well,
there.
Newton is.
Force.
Force. Mass into acceleration.
Sorry.
F is equal to ma.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
didn't. I didn't.
I dropped.
Let's
it.
go.
Okay, 30, 10, 10.
There's a reason we are actors.
Shut up, don't say
It's
that.
because we topped all of us.
Okay.
Actually, I mean, we did fine.
What is
Which subject is this?
chemistry?
Oh.
Okay.
Arey, yaar.
What is the chemical symbol of table salt?
K.
Na. Sodium.
Sodium is K. No?
Sodium. No, that's potassium.
SEL.
And sodium.
No, no,
Na.
KNO3.
NL.
NaCl.
NaCl. Sodium chloride. Sodium. Arey, wait a second. Are we talking about chemical compound?
Table salt.
Oh, NaCl.
So I said NaCl. I said NaCl.
Listen, he said it.
I said it.
Or D.
I did. They said it. Then I said it.
He
I'm allowed to
actually
cheat.
said NaCl, then he said NaHCl.
अरे but it's okay. I have said it.
But
ये क्या बात है? नहीं
Hydrochloric acid in the salt.
Okay. हाँ
I'll
चलो
give it
चलो.
to him.
हाँ, thank
10,
you.
10,
You guys
10,
keep looking at me.
30.
हाँ, you ask your questions.
ये लोग भी गूगल कर रहे
Chalo.
हैं. Next one.
Just raise your hand now, whoever knows it.
You all know who am I now?
No,
Geography.
I'm good at geography.
What is the capital of Goa?
Panaji!
Panjim!
Panjim. I said Panjim. Go see who
आप
said it.
कैमरा
I
ले
both the same
said
thing.
I got the fucking- I get the
आप
10
देखो
points.
किसने किया
I said
कब
Panjim
कितनी देर
first.
पहले
तू तेरे 2 सेकंड पहले मैंने पंजाब बोल दिया था तू कुछ पॉप कर रहा था
पंजिम या पाना जी है
It's
एक
the
ही बात
same
है
thing.
कि
It's the
Panji
same.
और Panji.
Yeah,
I
yes.
said Panjim.
No, but it was the old one, and I think I'm gonna give it to you. You said it.
But the old one is
nanosecond.
Khana Tina.
There's nothing
That's
like
fine,
Panji.
but now what is it?
But
Now
Panji or Panji?
Now it's Panjim.
चलो
Panaji, I also
Panaji.
thought, but
Chalo.
Panji. Yeah, it's.
I think I won because I was literally.
So
right
let's
there.
give it to both of them.
No,
Actually.
what is this? Take half.
Because
half.
it's true.
I'm so jealous.
What she said is also right, and she said it a little before you.
She already has 30 points.
I know. What if in the Bollywood rounds you win?
Chalo,
40,
next.
10,
we're going to
10,
know
10, 10.
10.
You to.
अभी आएगा नहीं
You
अभी आएगा ही
You to.
मुझे नहीं
Who is history? Last one. Who is the first female prime minister of India?
इंदिरा गांधी
हिंदी मैंने बोला ना
ए बोल दिया इसने बोला
मैंने
Bro.
बोला मैंने बोला
What
इंदिरा
is-
गांधी
ऐसा
I
said
didn't
it.
बोला.
Look
I
at
said
them
it.
and I
मैंने
said
ही
it,
में
bro.
बोला I'm right now I said it
I'm sitting next to them and I would never be biased to anyone.
Yeah.
It's ऐसा.
ऐसा
ऐसा said it.
मैंने धीमे से
हाँ,
बोला
धीमे से.
क्योंकि कॉन्फिडेंस
But
इश्यूज
you
आ
also-
रहे हैं
अभी आपने बोला.
हाँ.
कॉन्फिडेंस इश्यूज ये कि आंसर अगर मैं लिखने वाला हूँ और मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ तो मैं आधा ही लिखता हूँ ना अगर कॉन्फिडेंट तो मैं पूरा आंसर लिखूंगा
मैंने पूरा ही बोला मैंने इंदिरा गांधी को पूरा बोला
अरे एक्चुअली इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट एन आंसर देन यू से इट ना
I
दिस इज माय
was
आंसर
but मैंने धीमे बोला इंदिरा
You
गांधी बोला
decide
मैंने
based on the confidence. You decide.
दैट इज
I am deciding, and I'll give it to both of you.
This is not right
20.
It is not. I agree. I should get it.
30.
40
be
no,
ऐसा.
it should be me
Yeah,
No.
40.
Esas, but
Fort-
No.
and it should
No,
be
but
Esas.
he
अरे
decided.
he decides.
He
no, I
decided.
decide.
40, 20,
Judge.
20,
Let's go.
10,
ऐसा
10.
तुम्हें
Yeah.
ले ले
Fuck Esas चाहिए था.
थैंक्स रोहित
तुमको पता है ना अगर एहसास होता तो फर्स्ट वाला जो तुमको मिला है ना जो तुम 21 बोल
हाँ,
रहे थे, वो नहीं मिलना
हाँ.
चाहिए। क्योंकि वो भी तुमने आस्ते ही बोला।
आस्ते नहीं बोला मैंने.
आस्ते ही
मैंने
बोला।
बहुत
आस्ते
confidently
ही
बोला.
बोला।
I'm loving it. मेरे को
अभी ना
कंटेंट
मैंने
मिल रहा है
गलत
मुझे
भी
क्या?
बोला ना मैंने ऊंची बोल रहा है
ठीक
हाँ
है।
वो बेइज्जती हो
नहीं
It's-
चल
it's worse than
You asked.
it's not worse
Let's
than
go.
Okay, the next one, okay? Basically, this round is called merging faces. I will show you a picture. It's a
shit.
photo which has merged two Bollywood
Understood,
actors. Okay, you have to guess both.
Yeah.
चल भाई.
इंदु की आंखें बंद कर लो
You get 20 for every correct answer.
If we do
Okay.
you will
no,
decide
no,
who
don't
answers.
आऊ, जो
Come on.
whoever says it first.
Ready?
Okay?
Let's go. Let's go.
I will show.
अच्छा guys, so both actors have to say fast, not कि एक
Yeah.
actor बोले.
पहले उनको दिखाऊंगा फिर तुम लोग देखना. Okay?
Let's go.
First one.
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा अक्षय कुमार सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा
अरे but he said it much before 20 points to him.
भाई
20
हाँ.
10 ना
No, this is 20.
20 point. Who are on 20?
It's like
20,
Kartik
20,
Aaryan
20, 10, 10, 40.
Doesn't he?
Next
Is
one.
Chandu champion?
Which one? Chandu champion. Kartik Aaryan. You thought it's Kartik? Seriously? What? I want to know.
don't look at what did she say
We're fighting. We are fighting for 10 crores or something. It's 10 points, bro.
10 करोड़ होता तो झगड़ा कर भी लेते. देखो इवेंचुअली ये गिफ्ट नहीं है हाँ ये तो अभी मुझे कल पता
Oh,
चला
that
इसलिए
hamper?
but you will get another gift which he knows and I give it to people
Oh,
हाँ.
it's nice.
Yes, it's worth fighting for.
Okay, let's go then.
Next one. Oh sorry.
I said it. Oh yes. Lauren can testify that I said it first.
मैंने बोला रोहित ने बोला
मैंने एक इंसान को बोला ना एटलीस्ट
आलिया भट्ट तो नहीं बोला ना
मैंने बोल दिया बहुत जल्दी क्या बात कर रहे हो? What are you saying?
इसने बहुत पहले बोला
उसने
इसने पहले बोला इसने बहुत पहले बोला
एक तो तू उसको देखना पहले बंद कर
हाँ ना एक सेकंड
सुन नहीं
एक second.
नहीं सुन
मैं यहाँ बैठ जाता हूँ ना, रुक जा, रुक जा।
Can I tell you
भाई,
something?
भाई,
Will you believe me?
एक सेकंड तू
if I say
इसकी इस
something?
गोदी में बैठ मैं यहाँ बैठ रहा हूँ चल अब कर तू रेडी टू प्ले
Will you believe me?
You
if I say
wanted
something?
a clickbait
Wait.
show, you got it. Come, ready?
Will you believe me if I say something?
Yeah.
If you're talking about looking, then I would have looked at you more. He's like my brother. So go back to your seat.
मिल गए सारे
जाइए.
जीत गया, winner of the जीत.
चलेगा जीत जाओ
अभी भाई ब्रदर इधर
चलो.
उधर नहीं.
चलो
Next. Okay.
I said it.
He's too
I
fast.
said
One
it.
second, I have a question.
Yeah.
If I have to yell, come at you, yell in your ear,
Yeah,
then I'll
bro,
also
then
do
what
Yes,
is
please
it?
do it.
अरे
Do
तो
it.
ऐसे ही
Do
है।
it. What do you mean?
You're just saying
यहाँ पे आप ऐसे थोड़ा ना बैठ के
when
game
I get
खेलोगे।
loud, I get
खेलो ना।
तुम उठ के भाग के जाओगे तो ऐसे कैसे गेम होगा? Okay, thank you, game.
No. What's
10.
your score?
10. Now it's
10.
20. He gave me
20.
Can someone tell me where is
30
Varun Dhawan
कैसे?
in that?
भाई इससे पहले भी हुआ था।
50.
इससे पहले
20 points you got. No. For this you get 20.
Oh हाँ तो
So
50
50. You are at 20. You are at 40. He's at 20.
Guys, I don't
I-
see the Varun Dhawan.
That's
It
okay.
is,
He's still
the hair
there.
is Varun.
No, one of the eyes is Varun Dhawan.
Yeah, the eyes are.
Oh, okay, okay.
Bad
No, but
20
before we
points
move on, did I get Rohit's score or not?
You are giving it to
I'll
her.
give it to you later.
See, Shara?
नहीं आने वाला अगर
Next, this is very easy.
अब मैं shout कर.
I finished.
He said only Hrithik Roshan. He only said Hrithik
No,
Roshan.
no, no. I said Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan. I finished it first. You can.
Ah, bhai sahab.
I want to rewind the tape. No. No.
Guys.
Stress level.
But that's a hot one.
Jesus.
Yeah, everybody said the same.
That's a very hot one.
Give it to Lauren.
I said it first. I swear I said it first. I said it first.
एक second. Johnny Abraham, Shahid Kapoor. What is
No,
wrong with you?
I said
Listen
first.
I said the
I'll
first.
tell you. Who said
Come
first?
on.
Ask them.
Guys, it's Dino Moria.
अबे डीनो मोरिया नहीं है यार हो गया
Kareena and Katrina. We weren't even ready. This doesn't count. We weren't even ready. What you're saying.
कर लेता यार.
I said it. I said it.
Firstly, in that Shahid Kapoor one, I agree. Let's rewind. I've said it. Let's rewind, bro. I've said it.
Next is Kareena and Katrina.
Who
I
said
want to
Shahid
say
and
that.
Who said Shahid?
who?
So let's give them
Shahrukh
both.
and, Abhinav.
So give both of us 20.
Both of them 20.
So
20.
Dino Moria is not there.
No.
Dino Moria.
इसका minus करो.
Next one I said Kareena and Katrina. I've already seen it.
No,
Already said it.
Nobody else saw it.
Everyone saw it at the
I
same
saw
time.
But
It is
Rohit,
not
how
my
is it
problem.
fair if
Come
nobody
on.
else saw it?
Nobody else saw it.
How is it fair if nobody else saw
Come
it?
on,
We
यार.
just
We didn't
Nobody
even
saw.
know.
Nobody
गलती से
saw.
हुआ है वो.
हाँ, nobody saw. ये करके आ रहे हो तुम लोग मेरे ऊपर भाई साहब.
मैं कह रही cheating कर रहा हूँ.
Mismatch was all about love. Oh. Till today. Okay, now. This is easy.
Taruk, you can't do this.
Nargis Fakhri.
Shraddha Kapoor. I said it.
I've said it, bro.
You said Shraddha Kapoor. You said Nargis Fakhri.
I
तो
said
दोनों ने बोला ना फिर.
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं,
I
दस
said
दस दे
it
दो.
first.
No, no.
दस दस दे दो.
रोहित मत करिए.
ये बोल रहे एक सेकंड ये बोल रहे नरगिस फाकरी नरगिस फाकरी I said Shraddha Kapoor.
No, that.
No, he said no.
Bro, I've said it. What are you saying?
ये
Listen.
बात
अरे,
ये
I've
क्या बात
said
होती
it.
है
बैठ
भाई
जा.
ये ऐसे मत कर यार.
क्या point है? 60.
एक तो मैं 3 पॉइंट पे चढ़ा लिए. ठीक है
ये दिया ना
ऐसा.
last वाला. Last वाला we gave it to you also.
Okay,
Yeah,
चलो.
so
So I'm at 40.
40. Yeah, 40 ना.
60.
I'm also at 60.
You're at 50.
50.
Hey, भाई
You are at 50, bro.
अरे ये वाला 10 मिलेगा नहीं
नहीं
मिलेगा?
bro, क्यों?
ये क्या बात
नहीं,
होती
ये
है?
नहीं मिलने वाला.
किया है?
ये नहीं
बैठ
मिलने
जा
वाला.
bro.
एक तो पूरी दुनिया को लगता है कि I am biased. Might as well be biased towards somebody else. Okay,
एक
now.
मिनट ध्यान से.
मैं एक बार करती हूँ ना, मैं वहाँ जाती हूँ.
I'm very I said it.
Ranbir
Ranbir Kapoor and Ranveer Singh, I said it. I said it. 70 points. Come on.
You know what these people are doing now? These people are seeing it from here and saying it. भाई साहब, किस level का
70 points. 70
cheating?
points. 70 points.
Last one हो गया ना? Rohit has got this one. Last one. Prajakta, you better get this.
Sonakshi Sinha and Priyanka Chopra. Yes, got it. Come on.
Sonakshi Sinha and Priyanka Chopra.
I was gonna say Zareen Khan. अरे मेरे
बस.
90 points. 90 points.
Okay, Rohit is at 90. Prajakta is at 10. Taruk is at 40. Ehsas is at 20. Lauren is at 60. And Abhinav, you're also at 60. Yeah, one more and there are many in this.
I'm very happy.
No, I am gonna be very biased towards Prajakta now. I have realized.
No, this is not fair.
Why? For lack of effort.
Both of you.
Yeah, no, be fair to everyone.
Because you.
Very naughty.
बाप रे.
बाप रे.
But you said you wanted
It's okay.
energy.
It's, yeah.
Okay,
No, it's fine.
No,
it's fine,
I'll
it's
sit
fine.
quietly.
You will win, no?
Okay, cool. Let's go.
ला अब बोला मैंने बोला hope you
भाई
win. Now you
अपने
will
फंडे
win.
If
समझ
he shows energy, he might win, basically.
Nodu.
After what I told you, you still think?
Nayan
Okay.
Dasse.
Okay, now, basically this is emojis. But the emojis are gonna correspond to a movie.
यार ये मैं तो
Movie
हारूंगा ही
plot.
हारूंगा.
Got it.
Okay, these
Movie
are part
plot.
of the movie plot. Yeah.
So
It's
we have
not
to
going
tell
to be
the
like
name of the
crying,
movie.
matlab
Yeah.
rona something.
copy. So you have
It
to
wouldn't be like
guess
that.
the movie.
It could be that, or
But it could be a plot.
yeah, it could be a plot. Like पहले ही बता रहा हूँ.
Like if there is a train and a guy and girl, it's Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Yeah.
Got it. ठीक है.
Or if it's
Understood.
Got it.
sad and happy, then it could be Kabhi Khushi
Kabhi
Kabhi
Khushi
Gum also.
Got it,
Basically,
got it,
guys, it's a mix of both. Okay.
Got it.
10 points for every correct answer. There are many. This is the first one.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
Right.
मैं तो खड़ी हूँ.
अच्छा
Basketball give it away.
ठीक है. 10
Yeah.
पॉइंट मिल गया अभी ना.
Wow.
कर लो ना.
Next one.
Chak
de India.
Chak de India.
Right. Farooq is right.
go above.
You are not.
I'm very tired and I can't do
My
this one.
brain is so
अच्छा
slow.
हाँ.
This is very easy.
Jolly
Mr.
LLB.
India.
Wow.
Well done.
the muchi and
That's why I said like the watch.
The watch. The watch. That was
Mr. India. This is Mr.
Oh, I thought Anil Kapoor.
Yeah. Next.
Kapoor.
चाची 420.
हम साथ साथ हैं. चाची and नानी.
Tararam.
One second, क्या है ये?
There's a mother.
Mother India.
दोस्ताना.
Karan Arjun.
Wow. Difficult वाला मिला bro.
अरे
भाई 20 पॉइंट देना चाहिए प्राजिता को.
दे दो.
ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ. पता था. My God, so competitive. Next one.
I said it. He got it.
Oh, that was good.
बाप रे. ये जब इन तीनों को आता है ना, इन तीनों को स्ट्रेस आता है मुझे.
I'm sweating.
Next one. Very easy.
What is this?
I can't say. ये जवानी है दीवानी. कोई मिल गया.
Bunny.
Oh, Bunny.
ये जवानी है.
Wow, right. Next one.
क्या है?
नमस्ते लंदन. नहीं.
परदेश.
मस्ती करोगे.
अरे भाई लंदन टू न्यूयॉर्क नहीं क्या है ये भाई?
न्यूयॉर्क नहीं क्या?
ये न्यूयॉर्क.
English.
Yes. Wow.
Good one.
This was a difficult one. This one is very easy.
तो बधाई हो.
बधाई हो.
I'm at
What
90 now.
happened?
By the way.
मेरा ले रहे हो ना 10 points का.
What did you say?
This is strategy.
This is Norway.
Best. Next one. Very easy.
दिल धड़कने दो.
दिल धड़कने दो.
Oh, he comes like this.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm really sorry. I got very tired.
How are you always tired during my interviews? इसका इंटरव्यू मत कराओ मेरे को लास्ट मेरे को पहले चाहिए इंटरव्यू.
No, I'm
Chalo,
tired
ready.
playing this game.
Next.
Because
अच्छा.
my mind
Next.
works like that.
This one is very easy.
Rock on. No. Rockstar. Okay.
क्या बोली?
Rockstar.
What's the score?
Score we don't tell the score.
How many images are there?
There are many.
Auntie cricket.
वो बोला.
Namaste
उड़ान
लंदन.
मा-
माला माल वीकली.
बारिश.
लगान?
Yes! You are so good in this one, yeah.
थोड़ा टाइम अगर मिलता है ना. मुझे ये लोग इतना तेजी से करते हैं. दिमाग लगाने का समय अगर मिले तो होगा.
आशिकी 2. आशिकी.
देवदास.
Oh, nice.
दिया.
दिया.
वहाँ से दिया. वो दिया था.
और वो ये डोला.
Okay.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी तो.
Student of the year.
Student of the year. Oh God.
Prajakta.
I'm only seeing a swimming pool.
I said it first. I said it first. I said Mohabbatein. I said thanks Rohit.
Next.
Redemption.
This is the last one and also the most easy.
जिंदगी
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी तो.
Finish
the title fast
I think I won it.
I've been
Let's
saying
see.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा
I
for
really
last
think I won it.
I just think I didn't lose badly.
Okay. So Prajakta is at 30 points.
Because that's how old I am.
Ehsas and Lauren are at 70 points each. Oh, sorry. Taruk is at 60 points. Both of you are at 70 points.
What? I was ahead of them.
I'm at 90, he's at 120.
I didn't snooze. What the hell is wrong?
You got only 2, na? She got many this time.
Chalo, shake
After many
And,
also, you're only at 70. Oh, sorry.
You are at 90 points.
Yes.
And you are at 110 points. So are you happy? Do you feel we still cheated?
I
maybe
really
we
had to-
did
I
because-
really had to give my best.
Acha.
I'm not
Acha.
competitive at all. Ask them.
Acha.
Ask them.
The Indira Gandhi wala, I had the point. You just gave it to him.
We halved
So-
it. We halved that.
No, we
Yes,
I
we
think-
got
I think
10.
there are-
How
there
am I
are
at 110?
At least 2 instances where we can rewind the tape and I said it first.
This is for you.
लेना तो उसका best friend है.
Now I will give you one because thank God he didn't say and spill it out. So basically the whole gift that we were gonna give is a customized hamper which is basically miniature versions of the cast of Mismatch. And
it's
that
beautiful.
takes a little bit of time to get ready.
Whoa.
Who gets
And-
it now? Abhinav gets it.
Everybody
Everyone
gets
gets
it. I love
I'm so
all
glad
of
I
you.
didn't even try. I'm so glad
तो
I'm not
एक सेकंड
tired.
हम
I'm
अभी
so-
जानवर बने
I am hydrated.
और nothing.
All of this.
मिला ना एक एक्स्ट्रा हैम्पर भी लाया मैं
कोई बात नहीं.
है ना जानवर
मजेदार
बनने
वाला
के
तो
बाद
वो है
अगर अच्छा देखो अगर मैं उसी को देता सिर्फ सोचो कैसा लगता तुम लोगों को
That's true.
at least I am a nice person and I
That
love you
you
guys
are.
I love the show and I feel that it is a show that everybody resonates with so yes I have these friends at Gulbonda who's gonna make it for you and send it
Lovely.
over
Thank
to Netflix
you.
so you guys बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं मिलता है पर यहाँ पे हमारा
No,
गीता
you get it
जागता
and it's beautiful.
Okay,
It's
good.
very, very sweet.
Thank you.
but thank you so much
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.